Let's see if I remember how to do this.
Welcome back on the grind. A few things have changed, but not that much, honestly. You want a little adventure? Our regular trails, regular scheduled programming. Whoa, hello, sir. Don't die today on camera. And go. Morning.
Ride includes going up to Wall Springs Park, and you're going to see why. It is gorgeous. The worst part about having Jake as your cycling partner is when you're exhausted or going up hills, this is what he's doing the whole time.
Chicken to China, the Chinese chicken, you have a brain stick and
it don't matter what it is, he's always singing and dancing to let you know that he's got way more in the bank than you do.
Cardio game.
Yeah!
So a couple things about my bike kind of bothering me. That horrible tape job driving me nuts. Bit of a little wobble.
Don't you love the crossing at Keystone?
Oh, it's A+.
Yeah.
Good time to recharge. Think about life.
Yeah. Super cozy. Here we go.
Over and again till the night closes in. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Rock and roll.
Ow! Oh God.